I want to talk about two very extreme Aragons. Okay, so I'm wearing the 50 millimeter Divemaster Central Tourbillon with white Topaz. Okay, purposely did this is because I want to show a large 50 millimeter watch on my 6.5-inch wrist. In the background, we have the Silverjet. Okay, we're going to talk about that in a second. So you can see this watch is extremely elegant, elegant, and with a very unique feature of the automatic tourbillon, where the cage is in the center, right? So this watch is very wearable, and also it can be a dressy watch. It draws attention everywhere you go because of the blinks on the bezel and also the uniqueness of the automatic tourbillon. Now, here you go. The glide lock, I sized the watch down just to show you what it looks like. I think someone with a 6.25 wrist and larger will be able to wear this off, okay? 50 millimeter from 3 to 9 o'clock position. I love the design of this bracelet. But now, the whole reason I wanted to make this comparison video is I want to show and demonstrate how my designs are so forward thinking, okay? Where I could have a design with this Divemaster elegance like this, but I can also design a watch that is forefront ahead of time. So you can see the Silverjet with the sandwich case. By the way, they're both sapphire crystal. Now, continue with the Silverjet. This is extreme engineering, okay? I just want everybody to understand how many watches out there, okay, with a case, a watch case design like this, multiple layers at the same time, we're able to make a 120 teeth rotating bezel. Besides the watch case design, check out the bracelet, right? So from a very extreme, I wouldn't say futuristic design, because anytime when people see something like that, they immediately draw attention thinking it's futuristic. To me, it is not. It's aggressive. It's almost like a Ferrari ahead of time, you know, or a Lamborghini or a Ford GT. It's just simply this watch case design, this watch design is just ahead of time. Very wearable, okay, by the way. It's a 44 millimeter and low profile as well. Yes, I agree. It's, if you're comparing to a watch that is ultra thin, yeah, this is a little bit thick, but it's very wearable. The bracelet, okay, we're using the clipping pins, so it's easy sizing. And I also want to show you this beautiful mother pearl dial, okay? Not a platinum. It's a very specific Pantone just dedicated to Aragon brand. And then, let me move the hands away right here. I hope you can see this. There's an AM PM indicator at the 10 o'clock position, which also makes it very, very unique. Unlike any other watch, this Aragon watch, both of them I should say, is simply ahead of time. Quality is tremendous. Sapphire crystal, automatic movement. This one has the NH37. They're both professional dive grade. As long as you have the crown locked, you can go scuba diving as deep as you want, okay? Sorry, I'm wearing a glove, which makes it hard to turn. Another small detail, can you see the crown guard? It has these tiny little holes that is drilled through from top to bottom. When you pick up an Aragon watch, you know the quality, the design details of every single watch. There's a lot of thoughts behind it. We're not how do you say that word? Where like, you know, the run of the mill, like every other brand is doing the same thing, copying the Rolex look. We're not like that. We are simply original design. We don't copy Seiko. You know, I saw there's many brands out there, they just simply copy other brands. We don't do that. We don't do that with Aragon. All right. Hope you enjoyed this comparison video, and I will make more in the coming days. See ya.